Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will take a quick look at how we ended the week and also talk about some cryptocurrencies and what's happening in the cryptocurrency space. So the first thing we will talk about is about Ethereum mining, and I still have two workers mining using my GPUs, GeForce RTX 3070s. And today, for a reminder, is Saturday, May 8th, 2021. And revenue from mining has been dropping slowly. So if we look here, you'll see that I make currently just about $9.13 daily. And if we go to the weekly, it's $63, and monthly $277. So that's quite a significant drop from a few days ago. But anyways, we'll just keep on hashing and see where that takes us. And I'm mining using Ethermine. That's the mining pool I joined. That's the best way to get some kind of revenue, because if you're solo mining, it's very difficult to break even if you don't have enough hashing power. All right, some of the stocks we were looking at last week. We start with Vaxart with the ticker symbol VXRT, and you can see that Vaxart is up 3.90% for last session. And if you look at the 5-day chart, you will see there's a slight improvement towards the end of the week. So Vaxart, it might be a good stock to buy at this moment and hold. And of course, they're a biotechnology company, which is based in San Francisco, California, in the USA. Second company we're gonna look at is Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment Company with the ticker symbol HOFV. And this company is based out of Ohio, and they run a string of hotels, and now they're getting into the NFT space, non-fungible tokens. It's been a roller coaster ride with this particular stock. As you can see, over the past 5 days, they've had their ups and downs, but overall the trend has been downward. So use caution if you're investing into Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment Company, HOFV. The next stock we're gonna look at is EBON International Holdings Inc. With the ticker symbol EBON, EBON. And this is a Chinese company, Chinese tech company. And you can see that they had a spectacular rise, especially after market, where they went right up to, let's see. So after market, they went up to about $3.63. Yep, so they're trading about $3.64 after market. So what you see there is during the intra-session, during the day, and after market, it went up quite a bit more. You can look at the 5-day chart. It came all the way down, traded sideways, and now it seems to be on the rise. Monthly, let's see, yeah, they've had a slow and steady decline. So it's hard to tell at this point if they were making a comeback, if they're making a reversal. So something to watch very closely. EBON International Holdings Inc. The next stock we're gonna look at is Dolphin Entertainment, and you can see that they're down 1.05%, but after market they really had a nice uptick, which they did not sustain. They still dropped afterwards when the aftermarket closed. So this one is still a toss-up. We don't know what direction they're heading, but if you look at the 5-day chart, you can see they've been having a slow and steady decline. So it's very hard to tell if they are turning the tides here and will start going up. They're also in the same space as Hall of Fame Value Resort, in that they have entertainment, hotels, and also they will be proposing non-fungible tokens also. Next, we move on to SafeMoon. So as you know, SafeMoon has been they've become quite popular amongst investors. And right now, let's refresh the page and see how many followers they have. So you can see they have 562,000 followers. Last time we did a review yesterday, they were at 544,000. So they're just picking up more and more momentum as the days go by. And the value of the SafeMoon itself, if you look here, let's refresh the page. It has about doubled over the past 24 hours, 48 hours. So that's really an impressive change. But then again, it's also a roller coaster ride, and nobody knows where this might be heading. But the good news is for those who've held on for at least 3-4 days, they've seen substantial returns in their investments. All right, next we move on to Ethereum. You can see the price of Ethereum. Let's refresh the page, make sure we have the latest figures. Ethereum has jumped up 5.47% over the past 24 hours. They're trading now at $3,756. Quite a substantial increase, which of course does not translate to money for us who are mining Ethereum. Bitcoin over the past 24 hours has crept up 0.80%. You can see it's now at 58,000. It's slowly creeping up and getting up there. Ethereum we just talked about. XRP continues with its decline. Today it went down 2.69%. Dogecoin, that's the the big news today. Dogecoin went up yesterday up to, I believe, 73 cents, and today is up 9.49%. Stellar Lumens is down 3.98%, and today would be the big day for Doge with Elon Musk hosting Saturday Night Live. It could go either way, but we're praying that it goes upwards. And congratulations to those who are holding on tight to their Dogecoin. Again, this is the price of Dogecoin. You can see it went up quite a bit yesterday, and then it dropped down as the morning hours began, 9:50 a.m., and it dropped down to 64 cents, and it's slowly picking up. It's right now at 68 cents, which is quite impressive from where it was yesterday. All right, quick review of market capitalization by cryptocurrency. Number one, we still have Bitcoin. Number two, Ethereum, and Ethereum clocks in at less than half the market capitalization of Bitcoin, as you can see. Number three, you have Binance Coin. Number four, you have Dogecoin closing in really quick on Binance. And number five, you have Tether, which is way behind Doge. Number six, XRP, and number seven, Cardano. So Dogecoin has left Cardano far behind, and it's just continuing on its upward ride. You can see for over the past 7 days, Dogecoin is up 86%, which is quite impressive compared to most of the other currencies, cryptocurrencies. That seems to be the most. Next to that is Ethereum Classic, which has been up 179% over the last 7 days. So over the past 24 hours, of course, it's down 9.65% to $112. Just to remind you, Ethereum Classic over the past 24 hours had hit 48 hours had gone up to $173, and now it's just slowly dropping, correcting itself. All right, we continue. The other stock we're going to talk about today is OCGN, which is a biotech company based out of Malvern, Pennsylvania. And you can see the price went down 4.12% yesterday, and after hours it pretty much continued with a slight decline. So look at the 5-day graph real quick, and you can see they had quite a decline over the past 5 days, and they kind of leveled out over last trading session, which was Friday. We just don't know what direction this might be heading, so keep a close watch if you're invested in OCGN. Next, we have Microvision with the ticker symbol MVIS, and the price is the stock is up 0.71%, and after market it dropped just a little bit, so there might be signs of a slow recovery in the value and an upward trend in this stock. This is the 5-day chart. It seems kind of level, so that might be a good sign, showing that it's consolidating, and we might soon be expecting a movement in the upward direction. Our next stock to talk about has the ticker symbol FAMI, and that is FAMI, a Chinese company that grows agricultural products like mushrooms, and you can see they're down 2.37%, and over the 5-day period you can see their stock value slowly crumbling. I don't know where this one might be headed. There is no way to tell when these stocks might recover, turn their fortunes and start going upwards, but you can see after hours it dropped some and then kind of recovered just before the market closed, definitely for the week. All right, so pay close attention if you have money invested in FAMI. Next, I'm gonna look at Dogecoin and a quick look at what the markets did over the last week. So coming to the close on Friday, you can see that the S&P is up 0.74%, the Dow is up 0.66%, Nasdaq up 0.88%, the Russell 2000 it's up 1.35%, and the price of crude oil is $64.82. Dogecoin, like I said, is up. It was up quite significantly yesterday, and it's still up quite a bit today. It's trading at 66 cents, quickly approaching the dollar psychological barrier. And yeah, that's quite impressive. And congratulations to those who are holding onto their Doge. I think this will hit $1 much sooner than people anticipate. The next stock we're gonna look at has the ticker symbol KBSF, and that is KBS Fashion Group Limited, which is a company based in China, and their stock is up 0.62%. I would imagine that this will keep increasing, especially as the world reopens and people start going out shopping and needing new clothes, new fashion accessories for the coming summer. 5-day chart, you can see they've had a steady and consistent increase, so I have no reason to believe that this would slow down anytime soon. This might be a good buy. The next stock we're gonna look at is Express with the ticker symbol EXPR, and this is also another fashion retailer based it's a US company, and they're down 2.85%. You can see after market they had a slight recovery, and then they still went down afterwards. So 5-day chart, let's take a quick look. You can see this one is also on the upward tick, even though they had a bad trading day on Friday. I wouldn't worry too much. If I had some spare change, I could throw it into this company, because over the next month or two, I expect the stock to head upwards. Again, this is not financial advice. I am just talking about stuff that I see, so this is for entertainment only. All right, there's the new cryptocurrency called SHIA, CHIA, and it just recently got listed on the exchanges, and you can see when it got on the exchanges, it rose quickly to about $1,900, and then since then it has had quite a decline, and then it went as low as $500, $550, and so on. and then from about May 6th it started recovering, and now it's trading at about $1,200. So this is one other cryptocurrency that is it's predicted that this might cause a shortage in hard drives and solid state drives, because as you see, mining Ethereum, we use the GPU, which is the graphics processing unit, but mining for Shia actually uses hard disk drives. So you have your plot, and then you have your farm. You do the plotting on your CPU, if I understood very well, on your SSD, and then you have your farms on your massive external hard drives. So there's gonna be a lot of demand for those hard drives, and I think with the price of share being this high, people will be ready to invest quite a bit, significant amounts of money to buy up hard drives and farm for share. Well, so guys, that's all what I had to share with you this morning. Hope to meet you guys on the next video. Good luck with your investments, and hope you enjoy the crypto space and it brings you a lot of returns. We will come back after Elon Musk's presentation of Saturday Night Live. Thanks for watching. See you guys.